Alright, last unboxing for today. Well, I don't know when I'm going to drop these videos. It's already 8 o'clock and I have something to do right after this. But we have the Apple Watch Series 5 and I'm definitely excited for this one. I'm coming from a Series 0, upgrading to the Series 5. Let's just get right into it, man. Now, Apple included a little pull tab, so I don't need my unboxing knife. My channel is so unique. I show you guys the shipping box. But anyway, this is the Apple Watch. And if you look at it closely, as you guys can see, it says Apple Watch. I'm actually going to take off my Apple Watch for this one. Series 5 is not a big upgrade, but for me, this is a massive upgrade. I'm going to be excited for water resistance, the screen, the haptic, or not haptic, but the feedback on the crown. Always on display. Most importantly, I'm so happy that I waited. Now, I picked up the 44mm space gray. I picked up the 44mm space gray aluminum case. Or I should say, I'm starting to learn this, aluminium. Shout out to the UK, aluminium. Yeah, however you like to say it, aluminum, aluminium. And yeah, so let's just enjoy this presentation all together. I'm excited for this one, man. Yes, I'm excited. All right, come on. All right, moment of silence. I love unboxing Apple products. Okay. Woo! And what you gotta do, you just pull them very like that, like so. It's like a little belt. It just clips right off. Or just, wait, how do you do this one? Alright, there you go. And then now you're going to have a nice, beautiful presentation of all the Apple Watches, from the stainless steel to the space grays to the silvers. Well, I don't know if these are stainless steel, but they probably aluminum or aluminium. And you have the Apple Watch first, and then we got our Apple Watch band. So this is a new change for me because when I first got the Series 0, it just comes in one box. But now they separated the boxes, so you have your band, and then you have your Apple Watch itself. I'm going to be keeping this in my Apple closet. I have a bunch of Apple boxes in my closet, and we're gonna put this aside and we're gonna focus on the band first. As you guys can see, pine green. I actually got this just to match the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it just slides right out just like so. Shows you how to put on the band, and you have your band itself. Now I have a very small wrist, so I'm gonna rock out with the small band here. And I'm going to take this, and I'm actually going to compare it to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alright, so quickly comparing the pine green to the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. It doesn't really, well, yeah, it matches. It complements each other. It's a complementary color. It definitely goes together in a sense, but it's not exactly the same color. So, yeah, so designed by Apple in California. I love California. I need to go back. You got your books. Okay, I'm not even going to bother to take these out because it doesn't really make too much sense. And inside the box, you have your charging puck, power adapter. Now, I already have this. It's the same exact puck. And this is the Apple Watch. So, yes, I've been waiting for this. You know, rocking out with the Series 0. It's been painfully slow. I don't know why I put myself to that much torture, but I just always look at the Apple Watch as being the same. And as you guys can see, it comes in this nice little cute sleeve. And you have your ceramic back on the back here. It's so shiny. It's so new. It's so, oh my God. This is amazing. And of course, this is the 44mm. And let's slap on our band. It just slides in. And of course you can slide it out by pressing it. Back here is so shiny that you don't even want to touch it. Man. I actually did had a space gray Series 0. This is actually my second Series 0, but I got it in gold. This was my brother, but he said he didn't want an Apple Watch anymore. He just didn't really see a need for it. But that was the Series 0 when it was slow and can't do much. But with now, according to everybody saying how good the Series 4 is, this is definitely going to be a big upgrade. And the button is so much different. It's nice and flushed on there. This may as well be a solid state button. So I'm going to boot up the Apple Watch, as you guys can see. And it's so much thinner too. And more curvy instead of boxy. I'm going to put this right on my wrist. Okay. Wow. Nice. And I'm going to appreciate that always on display. Cannot wait to start using that. All right, so I took it off. We're going to do the setup process on my iPhone 10 or iPhone 11. I keep on calling this the 10. And right away, as soon as you unlock your iPhone, it just comes up right there. Set up this Apple Watch. And we're going to set it up. We're going to go with the process. And you just hover over. Just like so. And it is paired. That's it. Okay, so we're going to set up Apple Watch. We're going to tap on that. I'm a left. Okay, I agree. Location services, sure. And of course, I normally don't like sharing all my analytics. Passcode, I'm actually going to create this a little later. And we're going to do this. We're going to just SOS, watch faces. I'll install those later and just let it sync. And it just give me a quick little tutorial on how to use your Apple Watch. It is all set up. Alright, so press the digital crown to start. And don't mind if I do. And now my watch is ready to go. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. And you have that always on display. So your watch is always going to tell the time no matter if your watch is down or up. Wait, it's actually not even on. Is it on? Yes, it is on. So always on is on. When I raise it up, it lights up. When it's down, it's activated. So this is going to be like, for me, this is a huge upgrade. And is it true you could just start talking to your watch? What time is it? Oh yeah, they do have that. Raise to speak. Like, this is new to me, guys. So I could just raise my watch up and just say what time is it instead of saying the command word. That is really cool.
It's 8:10 p.m.
And look how loud that speaker is. My watch couldn't even talk, guys. Series 0 cannot talk at all. That is super duper loud. I got my heart rate, so it's going to automatically give you notifications if my heart rate is too high. It's just like, I can't wait, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. If you guys want to see the review of the Apple Watch. This is going to be, I just can't wait, man. I can't wait to start using it in reality. Let me go, guys. When I mean I'm really hype, man. Like, this is like upgrading from the iPhone 4S to the iPhone 6S Plus. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on, and make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at SimplyPops as well as on Instagram, and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Other than that, your boy Pops, and I'm out. Peace.